Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where you cannot find all Open AppData Folder in Windows, then please watch this video. Open the main folder, go to this PC, select C drive, go to users, go to your username. In my case, it's Gaming. In your case, it would be the first 5 letters of your username. And you'll find the AppData folder here, which you cannot see. Why? Because the AppData folder is a hidden folder. So click on View, select Show, Hidden Items, and now the AppData folder is visible. One thing. Now the second one is that you can easily open it through a run command. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command %appdata% and hit enter. This will straight away open the AppData folder. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.